King Records. They got me. If you don't know them, they are one of the producer for this Tamon Beside anime. And so far, they have been on a mission to take down every single reaction videos out there. Well, at least most of them. So they have taken down some of my videos and they think I will stop uploading. And they may be right about that. But not today, because I still got one final trick up my sleeve. So I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, now that's 900. I just need 100 more to make sure Tamon-kun's feature it. I
What
see you
is that?
smile, smile, smile.
A photocard?
Hitori Jimenez. Hello, Kinoshita des. Kinoshita-san,
As
can
a
you
charm,
go to
I
work
guess.
tomorrow?
Right?
I would happily walk to
Or
the desk
fan
to financially support Tamon-kun.
Charm, I think. Crazy. 1000.
You are finally here. I was tired of waiting for you. Huh? Ori-kun?
Oh, Oris. Home?
What do you want, huh? The bet is not decided yet.
Oh no. Tamon is not gonna like this.
Just come in first. This is about another thing. Wait,
Hey. Don't be rough.
What is this place? This is my parents' home. Of course I'm not gonna live in that filthy and small apartment all the time.
Then why did you live on the apartment Tamon too?
More importantly, are you actually dating with Tamon? Huh? What did you just say? Tamon-kun will never settle with just one girl. One day, he will make all of humanity his girlfriend.
I don't know about that, Utage.
Okay, fine. Just leave already then. That's all I wanted to ask. Just that? Are you kidding me? I was supposed to...
What happened?
Wait,
Oh no.
Sakaguchi-san?
Ori is sick. You drink too much ice in the festival, right? That's what an Asian mom would say.
Are you okay now? What are you doing? You can't just put a cooling pad on me like this.
Be grateful, boy.
Hey, you are the one that suddenly collapsed on me. Anyway, I'm already done cleaning everything around while you were asleep. Huh? Why would you do that? I thought you hated me. It's my
It's
job.
work.
Thank you then. Would you come back here tomorrow? Please make a reservation via phone call.
So cold.
Later that day in Tamon's apartment. Please just kill me now.
No.
Did you go
What
to
happened?
Orikun's place, Kinoshita-san?
Did
How
Ori
did you
break
know?
to him?
Orikun told me.
These two boys.
It's just because he is sick. You don't need to worry, Jimehara-san. You should just focus on yourself.
Tamon is jealous.
Well, it looks like your fever has gone up since yesterday. It has not. It definitely has. By the way, Jimehara-san is really worried about you. Don't talk about him. Excuse me.
Hello.
Orikun, I've come to visit. I know you like sweet things, Orikun, but I don't
What
know
sugar?
exactly what you like. So,
Why? Tamon, he is sick. If he likes sweet, just bring him fruits. Why you overthinking?
after that, Jimehara-san is helping Utage-chan on the cleaning job. By the way, Gloomy Hara-san, I was wondering what do you actually think about Orikun? Honestly, he scares me. And I think he hates me. I think it all started back when I first came to Tokyo for the audition.
Flashback.
Hey there! You are a newbie, right? I'll show you around. And you can become my minion. Go on, ask me about anything.
He likes feeling superior to the newbie, right?
And the number one winner that will become the center, Fukuhara Tamon.
Yeah, it
I'm
hit him so
losing
hard,
to a
huh?
damn minion.
That time, I feel so
He's
bad seeing
gonna
him
be
cry like a
kidding.
baby.
A
I would
cheater.
have given up my
He's
center position if he just asked me.
cheating.
But this time, it's different. I'm not holding back because he's trying to take you from me. Ori-kun, get well soon so I can crush you with everything I got. Tamon is so confident. So cool. Huh, that is some big talk from some minion, huh? This time, I'll crush you so hard, there is nothing else that's left. Ori looks so happy. I love this healthy competition.
Dum 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 dum. Center selection round 3. Winner Sakaguchi Ori.
Woo!
Whoosh. Round 4 hidden talent battle. Did he just pull the tablecloth without breaking the glass?
That's impressive.
Winner Fukuhara Tamon.
But
If I can protect this glass
I
cup,
don't-
I can also protect your heart, baby girl.
oh, we gonna speed through the selection process? Interesting.
I'll go home for today, Gloomy Harasan.
Hey you.
Huh? Ori-kun? I guess I wanna say thanks for the other day. Don't worry about it. You definitely look much better. Of course. Don't you see how I beat Tamon in the third round?
Tamon will see something here and he will be shook. Misunderstanding is coming, I can feel it.
Well, please do your best until the end.
Tamon gonna lose, right? He will be shook because he see all this.
Hey, if I win, you should be my fan.
Come
Well,
on.
But if Tamon-kun's win, you should also be Tamon-kun's fan.
Oh hell nah! I want Tamon to win, but maybe if Ori were to win, it will be a good development for all of them. Interesting.
La 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 la, practicing until midnight. Oh my god, completely unguarded Tamon-kun.
Hey, don't do anything, Utage.
I'm just admiring his
Your
face.
eyes are scary.
Nothing wrong with that. His handsome face. It's like Cleopatra reincarnated as a handsome man.
What are you saying?
But somehow his face seems a little bit more pale than usual.
Will Tamon will be sick because he's working too hard? Is that it?
Do 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 dum do 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 dum
Huh.
do. There's definitely something on my back right now.
Something.
But no way, it's Tamon-kun, right? So I'll just stand up and go home. Bye.
What else? If it's not Tamon-kun, what else? That was so cute.
Everything will be decided soon. So God of Idol, with 1,000 picture
Oh
of
my
Tamon in my ceiling, I pray to you.
All
Please
over her ceiling.
give Tamon-kun
The photo
the
cards.
best. I will definitely have a chance to win if not for that lame physical competition. Don't worry, baby yellow. They said that there will be bonus points for the final singing competition.
I like it. The other member, they also want to be the center.
Must be nice for you to be in the second place. Nah, not really. Oh, good morning, Tamon. It's rare that you are late. Good morning.
This
Oh my God,
Japanese
what happened to
cult
your
in
voice?
romance anime.
Good morning,
is-
guys.
Orito. Yeah, I want to say this cult in Japanese romance anime is deadlier than COVID. No, both of them got cult. Keito is gonna be the winner, right? Second place.
And the final round of the new center selection begins. Doom, doom,
No
doom,
need to try.
doom, 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 doo, doo, doom,
I didn't even sing. Just standing there.
This is clearly supposed to be a silent emotional scene.
Oh no, or not. Is he trying his best? Is that it?
Yeah, you asshole.
Okay, I see it.
Tamon-kun amazing. He will definitely
I
win
thought
this
he was
one,
just
right?
standing there. No.
Yeah, unlike the first round, this time he actually sounds like someone
He
heartbroken.
did well. He still try his best, huh? But Utage can see through it. There is some problem, right?
Ori, Tamon, what was that performance, huh? Practicing to the point of overworking, you both are a failure as an idol. Face doesn't need any imperfection.
But practicing too much to the point of getting sick is just so Tamon, right? The hard worker. And Ori too. Bonding moments.
Tamon, you never practice too much. This is so unlike you. Did you suddenly become even more stupid or what? Well, maybe it's because there is some dumb gorilla trying to steal my girl from me. Huh? I said there is a lot of people supporting me now, and I'm happy, but at the same time, I feel overwhelmed by the feeling of not wanting to disappoint them. The more they are nice to me, the more happy and scared I become.
The burden. Ah.
I'm starting to wonder, what will I do if I ever lose them? Thinking about that, I get even more scared. Ew, you are so dramatic.
Hey.
Oh my god.
You will be the same as Tamon if you got Utage rooting for you.
We are finally going to know the result of the center selection.
What is this? The credits are already rolling?
Thank you all for waiting. This competition has finally reached conclusion. We shall find
They gonna
out
announce
which
during the
member
credits?
will become the center in today's
Oh my.
performance. Woohoo! I love that Tamon-kun give us an escape from reality. But behind that, there is a very real Tamon-kun. Performing their new heartbreaking single, Rain.
We got the performance
Please
too.
welcome Face.
Natsuki the center?
Doom, 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 doom.
That's so unexpected. What?
Doom, doom, doom. Kata
Oh no, it's Keito. I'm right.
Keito, you did it!
Keito fans.
Keito-kun. He failed, get depressed, and cry a lot. But despite all that, in the end, he did not run away. Now that I know all this about him, I can't help but feel even more devoted to him.
Nah. Tamon, you and your crazy vision.
Musin ni hare wataru sora yamanai re kakedashita.
Yo, the rain won't stop. What the hell?
Okay, I'll stop. My singing is so bad, Utage is crying. I'm sorry.
The rain is falling indeed. Man, that was heavy. Utage, Tamon. Wow. Thank you, Yuki Shiwasu sensei. The anime team. Man, they've done a really good job this episode. I'm speechless.
So, before we get into anything serious, first I want to make a public apology to Fukuhara Tamon. Tamon-kun, I'm sorry. Time and time again, these young men have proven me wrong. Every week I watch the new episode and I expect him to do something bad, something toxic, and he never does. I don't know if this is a reflection of myself as a person or. No. I blame the toxic male lead in all the media I consume, okay? It corrupted my brain. All these manhwas and mangas and anime, they corrupted my brain. Just because Tamon have all these insecurities and that sometimes his eyes can be a little bit scary, I always expect the worst from him, right? Every week. But I think he haven't done anything that's a clear red flag, right? He doesn't manipulate Utage. He doesn't gaslight her to stay with him. Even in today's episode, when Tamon sees Utage talking with Ori, right? I thought definitely Tamon gonna misunderstand and he gonna be depressed and then he's gonna lose. But no. What he does instead is he just works super hard to prove himself until he is literally sick. Every week, he is just this sweet, hardworking, and honest boy. But here I am, in my mind, slandering him every week. So, yeah, I'm sorry, Tamon kun. You deserve better from me. Okay, now let's talk about that ending, right? Man, I still cannot get over it. That was so good. This was so cute. Having someone love you unconditionally has to be one of the best feelings in the world, right? And I think that's also the theme of this show, right? No matter if it's your A side or your B side, the idol or the person, I will love all of you. So I think I want to do a quick recap of the mindset of our two boys before this episode, right? As I've discussed previously, I think that Ori's self-worth is completely tied to achievement. If I'm not the best, if I'm not superior to others, then nobody will love me. Being number two is not enough. I have to be the winner. Something like that, right? I think he have a lot of burden and expectation. As for Tamon, he believed that his B-side self, his more authentic self according to him, is not lovable, right? He's ashamed of it. He doesn't feel authentic. I need to change my gloomy self before I deserve to be loved. Something like that, I think. So I consider this, no wonder Tamon is crying in the end, right? Look at this word. Always. It's not that you are the center in my heart when you win. It's not You are the center in my heart. If you are Hotihara, always. So it's a full acceptance of who he is. It's like Utage is saying, I love you because you are you. Not because your achievement, not because the persona you wear. I love you because you are you, Tamon-kun. Right? So cheesy. No, seriously. Hearing something like that, of course it's gonna mean a lot to him, right? And when I say acceptance, it doesn't mean encouraging someone to stay the same forever. I hope that this gloomy Hara persona is not just some permanent gag and that he can learn to love himself more and be more confident in the future. With Utage's help, of course. Now, Ori-kun. I think he is still looking for that same love and acceptance, right? Remember the sign from Ori's fan in the flashback in the previous episode? That's like totally the opposite of Utage's sign, right? They love him because they expect him to be a winner. There is a condition to their love. So I think no wonder Orikun is a bit insecure and have narcissistic tendencies. He is probably been getting a conditional love his whole life. They love him because of he is supposed to be, not because of who he really is. So yeah, it's so sad. I hope Ori can find love too. I think Utage can be a good friend for him, but of course he's gonna want to be more, right? Classic. Classic love triangle. Next, can we talk about this lady for a bit? When Tamon and Ori lost their voice in the center selection, right? She comes in all angry and say, Ori, Tamon, what the hell was that performance? Overworking is failure. We don't need imperfection in face. Something like that. Damn, lady. You didn't even ask your boys are okay or not? Like, they lost their voice. You have no concern about their health? Dang. So, according to this lady, being an idol is about perfection, right? But in the end of the episode, Tamon is crying. He is showing emotion, something that is completely the opposite of his usual sexy and wild persona, right? I don't think Hotihara is the type to cry, right? So the producer probably thinks that Tamon crying is failure, but I think she is gonna be proven so wrong. I think after these events, Tamon gonna be even more successful. He's gonna get even more fans, right? Because I think people gonna enjoy a more authentic idol, something they can relate to more, something beyond the perfect persona. I guess maybe we will see if the producer philosophy is correct or not. Okay, the last thing I wanna talk about Keito, our new center. First of all, his vocals, right? Mwah, mwah. It's so good. I think his vocal voice gonna be number one in the group for me. But also, I think he is quietly ambitious, right? Because in the center selection in round 3, when Ori wins the, I think it was a quiz contest, right? Both Tamon and Keito look disappointed. He is not just there to support, he also wants to win. So I'm glad that he got this win. I'm happy for him. And I hope we can learn more about him soon. So I think that's all from me for this episode. Another phenomenal and wonderful episode. So another shout out to all the artists behind the works, right? The mangaka Yuki Shiwasu sensei, the series director Chika Nagaoka, and for this episode, I believe the character designer is in charge of supervising the drawings, right? With special credits for supervising the lift section, Yoko Ito-san. Sadly, the Tamon anime haven't shared a lot of behind the scenes of the production behind the anime. So I hope they do that in the future. What did you guys think about this episode? Did it make you cry? I'd love to hear what you thoughts down in the comments. And if you enjoy my reaction and discussion, leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you next week. Bye bye.